What up? And welcome to Operation Murder It Out. Haven't done any motorcycle content in a long time, and that's because there is a parasitic draw on the battery. With winter being around the corner, I decided to set the bike aside and try to get milkshake up and running, try to get that car ready for winter. Last thing I showed you guys on the bike, I believe, was the fender eliminator. I did add two more things. I put some aftermarket mirrors on, and then I put some turn signals on. My exhaust should be coming in today. Should be here in a couple hours. So I'm gonna try and get the bike started up so I can get you guys a before and after video. Alright, so surprisingly it started on the first try. So I'm gonna let the exhaust cool down, give it a few minutes, and then I'll start taking it apart. That way by the time the exhaust gets here I can just throw it on. Alright, just finished putting it on. M4 exhaust. The silencer is still in there. I don't have the special tool to take it out, so I'll do that later. But I'm gonna take it off the stands, roll it outside, start it up, see how it sounds. Okay, final product. That looks a lot better. Start it up, see how it sounds. I hope it starts.